Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So developer options allow you to change some of the phone's options that are usually hidden, and to access those options, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings app, then scroll all the way down to About Phone, tap on that, then we're going to find software version, and just tap on that until this menu pops up where you have to enter your PIN or your unlock pattern. So just draw that, and you're going to have developer mode enabled because it says you're now a developer on the bottom. Now if you return, tap on System and Updates, and we scroll down, there's going to be a developer options section right here. And here we have a few different options like screen lock, so you can turn off your screen lock and just go straight to your home screen. Different stuff like that. We have USB debugging if you need to do that, and just pretty much other things that you can play around with. Well, I wouldn't suggest that. Some settings, if you're looking for them, they might be out here. And that is pretty much it. This is how you enable developer mode. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.